Hey everyone, today is the day we're trying to get the engine into the chassis again. The lower oil pan is on and there's some things I need to button up, but they can be done once they're in. The transmission cooler lines need to go in as well. I'm not sure if they're going to go past the frame, but worst case scenario I can just pick it back up and slide them in. So for now I'm going to try to get the frame rolled back in here and underneath the engine, and then start moving these gantries forward, and hopefully that's it. All right, so I got it, the frame in the garage, positioned. Engine's got plenty of height there. Just starting to roll this forward, but I got to get the garage door closed. Otherwise I'm going to hit. And yeah, going pretty smooth so far. See you in a minute. All right, so we're in position. And it's pretty close, needs to be shifted just a little bit, but all right, well, she's in. That went actually very, very easily. Used the two gantries. Like I said, moved everything forward after I got the frame rolled back in, and I mean, it literally went right into place. So it was nice having the two gantries and the movement on the front and the back. Then you can tilt it as needed, but I'm sure it'd be a lot more difficult if you didn't have it. But it went in. And that's it. I'm gonna leave these hooked up. I still have the transmission lines, transmission cooler lines to put in. They go right here on this side, and a little tight space. So worst case scenario, I'm just gonna jack up this side enough so I can slide them in. And that's about it. I did take the time. I bought a new lower radiator hose, which was cut in the accident. I need to splice these guys back together because it was also pinched in the accident, and one of them snapped when I was checking to see if they were actually okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and splice those back together. I need to get a new hose off the lower radiator hose. There's got a hole right there. And that's about it. Next video is going to be getting the transmission back in and buttoned up. Thanks for watching.